Hi friends, now we are going to discuss the role of suppliers, manufacturers, designers, importers in the supply chain. If you are going to construct any building, we are not going to use everything from a one contractor. Cement we have to purchase, someone is supplying the cement, someone is supplying the irons, someone is supplying the sand, some manufacturers are supplying the machines like grinding machines, cranes, somebody designing some product for utilizing at the site. Some item not available, some machinery we are importing like electronics devices. So in the supply chain from the main source till the consumer, there are a lot of suppliers, manufacturers, designers, importers are directly involved with us or indirectly involved with us. So they have the some roles and responsibilities. They have the proper responsibilities to ensure that whatever they are supplying, manufacturing or designing or importing, whatever, yes, their products are safe. That is their prime commitment toward the health and safety. Their products are adequately designed and tested so as to be safe for their intended purpose. Whatever the designers are going to design some product, they are adequately designed, means easy to hold the product, easy to use that product, and they have been tested for that intended purpose. And what is the intended purpose over here? Suppose a hand drilling machine we are using it, power hand drilling machine we are using it. So the hand drilling machine is able to fulfill its purpose to making a hole inside a wall. That is the purpose, intended purpose. They are not telling that hand drilling machine will be used for cutting the metals. For that there will be a separate machine will be there. For the grinding machine, they are able to grind the machine, smoothen the surface roughness of the any metallic surface. So where the drilling machine will not work over there, only the surface grinder will work over there. The intended purpose, for what purpose the machine has been designed, that they have to be tested and to make it safe for the intended purpose. Manufacturers have the responsibilities. They must eliminate the known defect. If they are going to manufacturing some machines, some cranes, if they come to know there any defect is there, so they have to eliminate that defect in their product. They must provide safety devices like emergency buttons, power trip, like safety devices they have to provide. Give adequate information about how to use their product, how to use, they have to provide the adequate informations. Sometime it may be in the form of the formal training to whom they are supplying the products, and put warning stickers on the product advising consumers about potential dangers. If they have any area is having the more potential danger, they should apply some warning stickers, which is a triangle mark, and the warning name also should be mentioned. Like for example, in the microwave oven, the upper surface is mentioned there, don't touch the surface, because surface may be having the hot temperature. Like that, they have all the manufacturers, they have to put the warning stickers on the product advising to the consumers about potential dangers. All the products should come with appropriate instructions and manuals whenever the any supplier or importer are taking some product or giving some product. All the products should appropriately tested so as their hazardous properties are understood. Whenever they are supplying or anyone is importing any product, they should be appropriately tested before using that product or before supplying that product. So their hazardous property, whether it is the highly flammable substances or highly corrosive substances, it can be easily understood, and accordingly the control measure can be implemented. All the products should be properly packed and labeled, including their warning, hazard properties, how to open safely, how to use this product. Should properly it should be packed and labeled. Related to all chemical products, all the importers should have the SDS, and supplier should provide the safety data sheet, SDS, of the all chemical products. So their hazardous properties can be understood with the help of that SDS products. So these are the role of suppliers, manufacturers, designers, and importers. This question has come once in 4 marks, like such a manner. What are the role of suppliers, manufacturers, designers, and importers in the supply chain? So we should be able to write all the points, whatever points has been discussed with in the previous slide, that point should be discussed over and should be write neatly into the exam. Thanks.